For tonight, I'm gonna do a bike check. It's my first one, so yeah. If it's too dark, just request a new one and I'll redo it. But got the ODI Special Edition Super Soft Grips, ODI Barnes, the Sunday Tall Tee handlebars, just a stock fit Park 1 frame. I don't know if you can really see it. It's a Primo seat, pivotal, with an animal seat post and profile cranks. Odyssey twisted PC pedals, purple. Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket. The Shadow Conspiracy headset and bearings. Sunday morning 2.1 forks. The Alienation Black Sheep wheels, laced emission hubs. I don't really care for the hubs, but they're cheap, so that's why I got them. Revenge Industry pegs, G-Sport gland hub guards. There's a better look at my cranks. Got the Shadow Conspiracy bottom bracket, the FAF tires. It's a knobby one in the back, and just I don't even know what in the front. Just another Black Sheep laced emission hub with Odyssey axle and driver. And well, let's turn my bike around. Oh, and I got a older premium stem. Not very good, but it works. I got the Shadow half-link chain, the Shadow Scream sprocket, and that's about it. Besides my drivers, the Odyssey driver. Here's it's alright. I mean, works for now. Oops. They're strong, double wall rims. The axles that come stock with these wheels aren't very strong. I bent them within the first week. And yeah, there's my bike. Works. Hopefully get a better frame. This frame sucks, it's cracked. Yeah, thanks for watching.